Hey everybody, you're on the GeekBox YouTube channel. Today I will tell you how to use a Fire Stick without a remote. Let's go. Open TV settings. Turn on HDMI CEC. Are you using the remote control from the main TV? Open settings. Network. Choose your network. Your phone and your Fire Stick must be connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Open Fire TV app. Choose your Fire TV. Enter code. Now you can control your Fire Stick through the Fire TV app. That's it. Now you know how to use a Fire Stick without a remote. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.